Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone keyboard lagging, freezing or not showing up. This usually happens due to software glitch or full storage. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus power button, slide to power off, then back on again. This refreshes the system. Step 2. Check storage space. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 GB free space. Delete unused apps, videos or photos if needed. Low storage causes keyboard delay. Step 3. Remove extra keyboards. Go to settings, then general, then keyboard. Remove any keyboards you don't use. Too many keyboards can cause lag. Step 4. Turn off keyboard features. Go to settings, then general, then keyboard. Turn off predictive auto correction. Enable decorrection. This reduces keyboard load. Step 5. Reset keyboard dictionary. Open settings, then general, then transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Choose reset keyboard dictionary. This won't delete your data. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install any available updates. Updates from Apple obtain fix keyboard box. If keyboard is still not appearing, try opening notes or messages. If it still fails, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. And that's it. Your iPhone keyboard lag or missing issue should be fixed now. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.